and welcome. I'm Sylvia from Kitchen Creations, and on today's episode I am making the best roasted chicken you'll ever have. It's moist, tender, and full of flavor and easy to make. Here are my ingredients: butter, whole chicken, thyme, paprika, cumin, Italian seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, adobo seasoning, creole seasoning, and olive oil. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. Before we get started, go ahead and preheat your oven to 425 degrees. After preheating your oven, go ahead and flip your chicken. And I like to go in with a kitchen shear and cut right in the middle. Just like this. After cutting your chicken in half, go in and clean all this extra organs from the chicken. And I'm going to go and do this off camera. And if there's any feathers, as you can see, there's some feathers here. I'm going to go and remove them, and I'll be right back. Now that my chicken is nice and clean, as you can see, go ahead and place this chicken in a cast iron, just like this. Just make sure all your spices are opened, because you do not want to cross-contaminate your spices. So what I like to do first is go in with some olive oil. And I like to work on the breast side first, because I am going to be flipping this chicken and bake it upside down. So I like to start with the top part first. We are going to add all our spices. Okay, this looks great. Now what I'm gonna do is flip the chicken over. And we are going to repeat the same process. Add some olive oil. And you want this chicken to be nice and coated with this olive oil. And make sure every bit of this chicken is well seasoned, guys. This chicken is going to be so flavorful, and it's going to blow your mind. It's so good. Make sure every bit of this chicken is well seasoned. After seasoning the chicken, go in with some olive oil and just kind of drizzle on top. This is perfect. Now flip the chicken open. Now it's time to season the inside of the chicken. Again, repeat the same process with all your spices. This looks amazing, so I'm going to drizzle a little bit of olive oil in here. Now go in with your butter. I like to place some butter in the inside part. And this will prevent the olive oil from burning. Hey guys, if you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. So after placing the butter on your chicken, go ahead and place it in the oven for about an hour. Hello guys, so my roasted chicken is ready and it looks absolutely amazing. Take a look at this beauty. She is gorgeous, as you can see. Give you guys a 360. And I'm ready to show you guys how juicy she is. Look how easy it is to take her apart. Look how beautiful she is. Just gorgeous all around. Juicy, tender. If you guys made it this far, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys later.